Hey, what's up? I'm Austin of Austin My _ 238, and you are watching Trina Miller 100.
Good afternoon.
Hi.
So what are you doing today?
We're gonna go look at a puppy.
Yeah, so happy Wednesday, everyone. I know you guys are new. Hit subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't want to miss a thing. Right, Grandma?
Right.
So, yeah. One way to Bell Plain to see a new puppy. So, yeah, let's get going. Guess what? We're breeding. Maddie. Or it's hard to call a little Snooky.
Yeah.
So yeah, one away. So by the way, walking out the new Animal Crossing shirt for Macari, and I'm bringing a mask and a purse, my hand sanitizer, and also the hair tie, just in case I need to put it up and put a mask on, and wear an Apple Watch. So got you covered. So let's get going. So good thing I done a gaming video, Grandma.
It's a good thing.
So, if you want to check out Animal Crossing New Horizons, I will have it up in the cards if it's available. So, yeah, go check that out. Well, guess what? We're not in Belle Plaine. We're staying at Wichita. So, we're staying at the Quick Trip parking lot, and we're all wearing masks. So, yeah. We're waiting for somebody with a dog to get here, and I can't wait to see the dog. Are you excited, Grandma?
I'm excited.
So yeah, we're waiting.
She hasn't been yet. I'm not yet. Make her work for it.
So Grandma is seeing a new dog. Oh my! Whoa! Look at that! Ooh, wow! Look at that! Hey! 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 How are you?
Oh no, her
Oh,
mask
no.
fell off. Well, what do you think, Trina?
This is beautiful.
All right, I'm gonna walk back over there, okay?
Guess what?
I need to get another doggy door.
We got a puppy. Got a puppy. Got a puppy. Look at that. We got a puppy, guys. The newest addition to the family here. Oh, wow. Look at that. Alright guys, so we're at PetSmart right now. So we're just finding something for the new dog. So yeah, we're just looking around, getting something, and yeah. Oh wow, look at that. Look at that dog toys. So we have to wear a mask because it's mandatory now. So yeah, we're wearing a mask.
Medium.
Wow, that would be so easy.
Just looking around
What?
at PetSmart. And here is
Well, yeah,
the
but
dog.
correct.
Here's a new dog. Here in my hand. Look at that. Look at that. You can buy your face mask here at PetSmart, but nothing special. And get an hand sanitizer. Can't believe it. That's why I have to take precautions. Oh, look at that. Limited 2 per customer. Oh man. Well, guess what? We decided to get this. The Fresh and Clean, their moisturizing hand sanitizer, kills 99.99% of most harmful germs. And this botanical disinfectant solution. Look at that. I can't believe it. They're selling the hand sanitizers and solution at PetSmart. Can you believe that? Oh my guys, all done with PetSmart. Right now we're at Sonic getting food. So yeah, we're just getting food. Alright guys, we're officially home. Guess what? We decided to get this from PetSmart. This is the Fresh and Clean Moisturizing Hand Sanitizer. It is a sprayer, so yeah. And also my mom just got the disinfecting solution also. So yeah. But anyway, we're back home. And I want to show you something. Check this out. So here is my wheelchair. And I think something's not right because I don't know if the front wheels are not gonna fit. So yeah, maybe I want to take a look at it or just exchange it from the store here. So yeah, but I don't have any cards. So yeah, but here's my new wheelchair here, but it's unfinished. Good thing we made it home because we're under a severe thunderstorm warning for Central County until 9:15. So it is gonna be bad, you guys. So it is 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. So yeah, look at that. It is actually coming in. Right now it's not bad. So hopefully it is coming in. So yeah. Still under a severe thunderstorm warning. I don't know if it's gonna hit our house. Hopefully it doesn't get any power outage. So hopefully we can survive tonight. So, we got some more severe thunderstorm warning, but it is extended until 10:15 tonight for Central County. So, I'm not really scared. I'm just a little scared. So, I don't know. Hopefully the storm will last. I mean, I'm getting a little confused, guys. So, hopefully we're gonna survive this severe weather. Well, guys, we got another severe thunderstorm warning, but it is extended again until 11:15. So I believe there is more. This is not over. Seriously, this is not over. So, severe thunderstorm is located in Mount Hope, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. So they include 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. So it's happening until 11:15 for Central County, Harvey County, and Kingman County. So it's gonna be a long night.
When you keep this connection going. So
Oh
you don't
wow,
have another
look
dog
at
barking
that. Oh
She's
man,
playing with
she's
the bear.
tiny.
Yeah.
She's only 10 weeks old. Whoa, look at that.
Don't get me on.
Look at that. Whoa.
You better be nice to that baby.
What is he growing?
It's like Bear made a little friend.
Who's
Look at
whining?
that.
Is that really?
It's like Bear made a little friend.
Oh, look, look,
Look at that.
look, look, look.
Bear, this is
Bear's
Liv.
acting.
New puppy.
Maddie, I mean, what's her name?
Oh,
She's never seen a
Liv.
bear.
Oh, careful, careful,
Oh, bye.
careful.
Look at this.
She's closed her eyes.
Look at that. She's actually laying down with me. Whoa. I can't believe Liv is actually laying down with me for the first time. And it's also first severe weather for little Liv. What do you think, Grandma?
Yep, it is.
And first time laying down with me. What do you think?
I think it's really cool.
Yeah. Oh my, look at that. Grandma, did you see that wind gust?
I saw that.
Oh man. Well guys, Thunderstorm morning is over. So good thing we didn't use power. So yeah, and also I did play a little bit more with Liv. So yeah. But I want to tell you a quick story, but a couple of days ago, baby passed away. So that's why we got another new dog to this family, and her name is Liv. So yeah, but we miss Phoebe. So yeah, that's why Phoebe passed away a couple of days ago. So yeah, but rest in peace, Phoebe. But right now, we have a new dog to this family named Liv. So yeah, that is so awesome. But anyway, I think it's about time to end this vlog right here. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below what's your favorite dog, or you just got a new dog or anything like that. Just let me know in the comments down below. Make sure to hit subscribe for more videos and more content. And the vlogs will be in the cards right here. And remember, as all adventures were to be. And next watching, please swipe by. I'm Trina Minute 100. Thank you so much for watching today's vlog. If you want more vlogs, gameplays, and a lot of stuff, click or tap subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a like. Follow me at any social sites at the Insulate. Also, check out Trina Minute 100 Games channel and Better Bear Camp 17's channel. Until next time, peace.